is Sydney.
My name is Thomas.
My name is Jacob.
Bad happens, like someone gets hurt, you should call the fire department. Go out with your hood on to any house, and then they'll let you in.
By calling your parents and make sure that many people get injured by hail in a year. About 24 people shelter in Tornado Alley watching. And we have